Well, welcome to another 101 poetry prompts. Today's our big finale. Today we've finished our poetry prompt. Here's our drawing for it. Poetry prompt 101. So we have completed 101 poems, autobiographical poems, by the way, and 101 illustrations to go with them. And so what, you say? Well, so what indeed. But there's an important thing to remember here. If you do things just because you're going to get something out of it, or there's going to be some kind of payment, well, that's just a job. Sometimes you just do things because you want to. You don't have to get anything or any benefit from it or anything else. What we got out of it was a lot of fun and a discipline, cranking them out. And in the final analysis, we got a big notebook here filled with drawings and poems, 101 of them. So what we'll do, I haven't decided on our next series. So far we've written a book. What else we do? We did a 200 drawing prompt book, and we did this 101 poetry prompts book, which has been the pretty epic in terms of intensity. But I haven't figured out the next series. I'll probably take a few days off and take care of real life, and then if you have any ideas of what our next series should be, we ought to do it. And okay, let's read this last poem, and then that'll be it for this series. Here's today's poem, and it is appropriately, the prompt is The End. 101, The End. The end of another series, a poetry prompt book. It might be unique on YouTube. I'll need to take a look. Conversational and biographical, leaving out poetic swill. And don't take yourself too seriously because nobody else will. And make sure you tell the folks some stories of your youth. But remember, some homies might read it, so it better be the truth. Don't try to make yourself look good. That is such a bore. By juicing up your service up in some forgotten war. No drones, no music, no Patreon, or merch of any kind. And if the bird flies away, it never was really mine. And don't fake personality. It's hard enough to be yourself. If you look into the camera and see somebody else. And now you have the rules, and there's one thing left to add. Write the poems in pen and ink, as losing a hard drive would be bad. Okay, that's the end of the series, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you soon. Thanks for watching.